How to hide apps on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can hide apps on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to hide apps on our iPhone, it's very simple. I will show you a short way and I'll show you a easiest way as well. So first of all, let's say there is an app you don't want to see on the app screen. So in this case, let's select Telegram for example. Just long press on it, then tap on the option called remove app. Then you have the option to delete app or to remove from home screen. Since we're learning to hide it, all we will do is just tap on delete from home screen. Now you can see the application will not show, the Telegram app will not be on our home screen. But in order to find them, you have to go to the app library and then you have to simply search for Telegram. So right over here you can search for Telegram and then you can open. Now if you want to get the Telegram application back to your iPhone home screen, just long press on the Telegram app icon over here. Tap on the option called add to home screen and then you'll be able to add it back to home screen. Now this is one way to do it, right? But the other way is, let's say you have so many applications to hide. What I want you to do is I want you to drag them all in this one page. So let's say I want to hide this whole page and all of the apps inside it. I can hide this page by just long pressing on it on an empty space, tapping on this dots icon from the bottom. Here uncheck the pages that you want to hide. I'll just uncheck it. Now tap on done. Now that page has basically disappeared. As you can see, I don't have that page. But if I want to get it back again, I can just long press on it again, repeat the same process. This time you want to check it and then tap on done and the pages will come back again. This is simply how you can hide apps on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.